Hey guys, it's Tom. I'm coming to you with another PoE unboxing video. Today we're going to look at something special. It's the BV POE-SW800G-P4. I'm going to show you why this is the perfect solution for your small office or home office. Let's get into it. So let's open this one up and see what makes this PoE switch special. So get that open here. Get all this stuff. You got all your standard stuff, your power, everything. Get that out of the way. Let's take a look at this. So we've got a pretty small form factor here, which is nice and go on any shelf. You have 4 ports that are PoE, with the first port being 60 watts. So you could put on a PTZ camera or a fisheye camera, something like that, or any other high power device. Your other ports 2, 3, and 4 are going to be 30 watts a piece. So much better than a standard PoE switch that's like 15.4. And then you've got 4 ports for just standard networking ports. All 8 of these ports are gigabit, so you'll be covered there. No worries about data loss. You can do, the way we've seen it set up before is the first 4 ports, you can do your PoE phones or other office stuff, and then your other ports here used for your PCs in the office. So this is really cool. One tiny little switch, won't take up any space, but it'll give you everything you need to have 3 to 4 people up on your network with phones, with computers, or with whatever else it is you need. Hey guys, thanks for watching. It's Tom again. Make sure that you click over here to watch some more videos. Click over here to subscribe so you can see all our other videos coming up. And any comments or questions, just leave them down below. Thanks.